Have you subscribed? You should do that. So like, y'all should be really proud of me because I posted another video. Okay, anyway, so say I'm just gonna be doing a natural look. I'm not doing eyeshadows, literally just like a full face, but no eyeshadow. But I already did my eyebrows. I'm just gonna carve them out. If y'all want an eyebrow tutorial, just let me know because they came out good today. That's good. Since I'm not doing a look, I'm gonna set my eye with a dry beauty blender. That's not the same one. I'm going with a highlighter. I really like this highlighter. It was cheap. It's cute and it was cheap. And I want to go in with a small blending brush. Here's the thing that I do now. I don't know if it helps. It might help you, it might not help you. But after like each step, I'll spray. So it kind of like helped with hydration. It helped me with hydration. When I did this and when I didn't do it, I could tell the difference. Like when I did it, my skin like, cause I use matte and like stuff like I use matte foundation. And then baking, of course, you're gonna get matte powders. You get matte. So like after all that, I need something. So by me doing this, it kind of helps with the stain from looking like a powder donut. I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild serum, and I'm going in with this hydrating primer. They're both hydrating, but I use this in like my extra dry spots, which is like right here under my eyes, and then right there, and then my forehead is really dry. And then that's about that on the primer. And then I'm gonna spray. This is a different one. I use them both. Personally, I like this one better, but it's whatever. Really weird shaded, so I have to go with 2 foundation shades because it's never gonna match. Basically, I use this in all like the contour spots, the darker one, and then the lighter one, I use that in all the concealing parts. Makes sense, makes sense. So I'm actually gonna use this to carve out my top eyebrow. So I'm gonna put some right there, and I'm actually gonna do that right now. I gotta be careful around these edges. You know, sweetie? Like, I already got it on this one. It'll be okay. Well, like, I'm really orange right now, but I promise you, this is the shade. Because after I conceal, it's gonna flesh it out. So, I've never seen this before. I don't know if somebody else has done it before. But I want to try contouring first because it always get messy. So why don't we contour first and then conceal the like. But that made the most sense to me, so I want to try that out. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to contour first, and then we're going to go in and conceal and see if that makes a difference. See if it like it's easier, you know. So I'm going in with another one of those elf concealers. Okay, I know I look crazy. It's okay. It's going to make sense. It's going to make so much sense. You're like, oh my gosh, that is so smart. Like, okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the very, very light shade, like No, I ain't gonna go with this one. It's like, it's gonna be this color, and I don't want that color, so I'm going with this. Not that color. Alright, this color right here. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little second, and yeah, you know, you gotta always let my concealer sit, because the more you let it sit, the more coverage it is, the better it is. We want it the better one. So I'm just let that sit, and I'm just gonna get my brushes ready for when I we is going to spray our nose just to like get it soft. Go in with my nose, the brush I use on my nose, because I accidentally did something and it makes no sense. No, the technique makes sense, perfect, like beautiful, like it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. But what I had just did while blending made no sense. Y'all, this is a look. Like, I'm in love. Like, I knew this was gonna make more sense than concealing then contouring. Like, that makes no sense. It's like taking a shower to go play in mud. You know, like, that makes no sense. So I was like, maybe we should play in the mud first, then go take a shower, and it's it. And then I go on with this one. Yeah, if I use this on, I know this makes me really light, and this, I don't know, it doesn't make me light. So we're gonna go with this one. Two different colors, but they're both banana powders. I don't know what type of banana that is. I don't know. Okay. When I do this, I always go on with one of my dry beauty blenders, because why would you use the wet one? Y'all hear my hamster? He's so cute. I love my hamster. First, we're gonna push it in, so we don't have any dry spots, but you shouldn't have any dry spots if you've been spraying throughout this whole method. I'm good with our little baby, period. So now we're gonna spray our face. Makes it bright. Okay, I just put my lashes on. It's not sticking, but it's okay because they're about to get taken off. And that's about it for this look. Hope you subscribe, comment, like, subscribe. I mean, you should. I mean, do I not look, am I not giving what it's supposed to be giving? Okay, bye. See you next video, which will be on Wednesday.